So to start making curry goat, you need to cut up your goat if it's not cut at the meat store, and then you season it. Wash it properly and season it. And to season it, I use onions, scallions, garlic, black pepper, thyme, and sometimes a little pepper. Cooking for kids, as you know, so we don't necessarily put pepper in here at this time. But anyway, what I'm doing now is separating it from the seasoning, because I don't want all that seasoning getting in the pot when I'm starting out. So I'm separating the meat from the seasoning, and I'm going to leave the seasoning back in this bowl for later when we're ready to season everything up. But for now, that's what we're doing. And over here I have in the pot, I put a little oil, not a lot, and some garlic and pimento seed. But getting the oil infused, that's what I should say, infused with the garlic. So for a better flavor, better smell, better taste, everything. So what I do now, I'm gonna sprinkle. Oh, I gotta put this back. It's too dark over here. Put it back on the front. I'm gonna put it back on the front. I'm gonna sprinkle some curry powder in the pot. See, I use this curry. It's chief. You can use any curry you like, but the curry powder I'm using today is it's called the chief. I'm not advertising for that. I've removed all my meat from the bowl here, and they're in the pot, and they're sautéing right now. So just beating there, stirring them. You don't want anything to burn, so you keep stirring it. And I'm not gonna put any water in this pot at the moment. I'm just gonna let them saute for a little bit, and I'm gonna cover it. And that's about it. I'm gonna cover it, and when the water is going down, I am gonna add more water to the pot. It's very possible I might have to put it in the pressure cooker, but it's not if it's tough, but if maybe I won't. If it's cooking too long and it's not soft, I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker. But anyway, that's what you do. And also I had meat seasoned overnight. Today's Sunday and we're gonna have curry goat, so I just thought I'd make a quick video. So it's seasoned overnight, and I'm putting in the fridge, and I took it out this morning, and I thought it ready to, so it could get a little warmer and ready for cooking. So we're gonna keep cooking this, and I'll update you as we go along. And I've covered the pot, and you can hear it. It has liquid in it. You can know that it's steaming, right? And because it's covered and all that steam comes up on the cover, it falls right back into the pot. And I'm leaving that to steam. And I also turn the stove down. So I'm going to leave that for a while until I'm ready to put add water to it. Okay? So the pot has been sauteing for a while, the goat meat. And I have now added some water and the seasoning that was in the bowl. And I'm going to leave it there to cook. See? And look how small this looks. Goat meat have a way of shrinking. People used to say they'll tell lie on you. If you give somebody goat meat to cook, it will look like you steal some out, But it shrinks a lot, almost like half the amount. So anyway, this is going to cook for a while. I know it's going to be here for maybe an hour or two if I don't put it in the microwave. But I'll see. Sorry, not the microwave, the pressure cooker. Yeah, so I've added water, and I'm turning down the stove again because I had turned it up. I'll let it start boiling. You turn the stove down and let it stay there and cook for a while. And you got to keep watching it because the water dry out, you got to add more. And until it cooks. It's not a hard process. It's pretty easy. But just adding some more water. So yeah, that's it. It will cook, and when it's cooked and we're ready to eat, I'll come back. We're gonna cook some white rice and curry goat today. I had to put the meat in the pressure cooker, as you can see, and it cooked quickly. And now I put some more seasoning in the pot, you know, just to freshen up the seasoning a little bit and get it more tasty. It's very soft and jelly-like. Anyway, so that is the meat. It's well cooked and seasoned up, and I'm just gonna cook it down a little bit more, and then we'll have our gravy, and I'll show you when we share it out. So our goat meat is cooked and I'm ready to eat. I'm gonna eat this with a little white rice and, you know, some veggies on the side. So it's very tasty. I tasted it already and it's good. I'm just gonna have another take. Yeah, that's good. So thanks for watching, and come back again when I do another video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.